Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty with Kat, and today I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from Wiggins Hair. Everything about her will be in my description box below, so let's get started. She is a Burmese curly unit. As y'all can see, she already comes pre-plucked. The curls on her were so juicy, so beautiful, y'all. So I will be cutting some slits in that lace so I could separately glue her down, melt her down in sections. Y'all was so obsessed with this wig on everything, babe. Like TikTok, Instagram, baby, you name it. Y'all loved it. So if you are here because of that, baby, welcome. This review is right on time. So right now I am putting my Kiss adhesive spray on that lace. I'm using some more adhesive so the lace doesn't lift. Yeah, baby. So yes, y'all, my son came in. He just warms my heart, y'all. He warms it. He warms it up. So right now I'm cleaning off that excess adhesive residue. But as y'all can see, I literally went through a brain fog installing this unit because I'm like, okay, she looks cute down. I love the curls, but it's like, do I need to go back in and refresh her? So I go back in, I use some water, and then I use my Nairobi foaming mousse to kind of define the curls, and then I blow dry it out. I don't have the blow dryer with the attachment. Didn't feel like looking for it, y'all. So of course I did all of that just for the wig to dry down for me to end up wetting it again. And child, just baby, just a lot. Like I said, y'all, I didn't know if I wanted to leave her dry, wet, side part, middle part, no part. Didn't know. But in the end, I ended up doing a half up, half down. So yes, I did take out some parts of the hair to make baby hairs. I normally do not do baby hairs, y'all, but with this hair being curly, you can kind of get away with baby hairs. And in the end, it came out super pretty. So the pros and cons with this unit from Wiggins, she did shed. Once I kind of added the mousse and the water and manipulating her, she did shed. I honestly don't believe that was the wigs doing, but more so me manipulating. I feel like that's where the shedding came from. I love this curl pattern. I didn't have that many cons. I really do love how natural this looked. The lace was perfect. In the end, I really just loved how this style came out. It was just super pretty. It was just super adorable. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Wiggins Hair for sending me this unit to review for you guys. To my new subscribers, welcome. To my current and my OG subscribers, I appreciate y'all for coming back and supporting my channel. I do have a synthetic unit that I am editing right now. I'm going to be dropping that review either this week or next week, but y'all stay tuned for that. It is a outre unit. So like always, thank y'all so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.